Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Embattled Member of Parliament for Central Westmoreland George Wright has resigned from the Jamaica Labour Party. He's been under pressure to step down amid allegations of physical abuse. General Precious has the latest.
On Friday, the Jamaica Labour Party issued a two-sentence statement which read, quote, George Wright, MP for Central Westmoreland, has submitted his letter of resignation to JLP General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang, terminating his membership in the party. The JLP, it continued, has accepted Mr. Wright's resignation and notes his stated intention to address matters in the public domain and his continued belief in the policies and programs of the government and the party. Speaking on Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson Miller, JLP General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang insisted Mr. Wright wasn't coerced.
No, he tendered the resignation of his own volition, which made it easier for us, I'll admit. And indicated he wanted to deal with it in the public space. And how we deal with it, of course, we'll monitor. So that will tell us how, if we have any alternative, any further relationship down the road.
Was there anything in particular that triggered the resignation, to your knowledge?
No, it has been in the public space for ongoing. I mean, our primary newspaper maintained him on the front page negative for several weeks. So the individual, he is not a very talkative. In fact, as a politician, he talks very little.
As for Mr. Wright's position as Member of Parliament,
as far as I'm aware, he doesn't have an intention to resign as a Member of Parliament.
So what happens now, though? Is this a JLP like Pontius Pilate washing its hands of the matter now?
Not quite like Pontius, because the consistency is still there. We have to maintain our organization, the seat. His activities and action without to be monitored, but as I said, we cannot do more at this point in time.
So how does that work on the constituency level? Do you then put in a JLP caretaker now, because he's now not representing you?
We have a vice chairman who will take charge of the day-to-day activities and the management team in the constituency. We have 3 councillors out of 5.
George Wright has been embroiled in controversy following allegations of physical abuse in early April. The police, who had been investigating the matter, closed the case as neither the alleged female in the incident nor Mr. Wright were willing to provide formal statements. Janelle Precious, TVJ News.